Stop sharing your video to communities immediately after posting it. Instead of sharing your video, this is what you should do. Make sure you watch this video to the end. That is the most important. Watch this video to the end. Let me tell you the damage you are doing for yourself by doing that. When you post your video on any platform, be it Facebook, be it YouTube, be it TikTok, all of these platforms run almost on the same algorithm. If you post your video and after posting it, you start sharing it to different communities, copying the links and sharing it, what you are telling the algorithm is that, please stop, don't do the work for me, I can do it myself. Yes, that is what you are telling the algorithm. And you know what? Don't forget, the algorithm is AI. They will be glad to wait and watch you. All right, and they will allow you to do your work by yourself. Why? Because you're sharing your video by yourself immediately after posting it. Now, don't quote me wrong, it is not bad to share your video, but my point here is sharing your video immediately after posting it. Instead of sharing your video, this is what you should do. Do you want to know?
Samson is here to teach you content creation for video editing, graphic design.
Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my page. I am P. Samson, a creative skills advocate and a storyteller. If you have not followed me on Facebook, please kindly click on the follow button. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that so that you can get updated immediately I upload a new video. You know, I'm here to help you grow as I also grow. Anything that has to do with growth, anything that will hinder your growth, I will bring it forward and let you know about it so that you can avoid it and then still remain on the path of growth. Do you love growth? Then subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell button so that you can get notified anytime I upload my new video on YouTube, and also follow me on Facebook. All right, the name remains P. Samsons. Just search for P. Samsons and you get me there. Now let's dive in. In this video, I want to share some tips that will help you gain more view and you gain more engagement after posting your video. I have observed in my own self and also in others' activities how they post video and share their video immediately and what happened afterwards. All right, so after I have observed and discovered that sharing your video immediately after posting is creating damage to that video. All right, it is not helping the video go far, and that is why I am here to share this experience and also to give you some tips on what you should do instead of sharing your video immediately after posting it. This is what I have been doing recently and it is helping me too. All right, so whatever works for me, I will bring it forward and also urge you to try it out. If it works for you, you keep it on. If it doesn't work for you, you are welcome to throw away. All right, so what do you do immediately after posting your video? Do not share it, just like I have said earlier. This is the best thing you do to get more view, to help the algorithm push your video further, push your video to more eyes, and then help recommend your videos to more people and more audience so that you can have more views. This is especially to the upcoming creators. All right, if you're a newbie, you are just coming into the industry, this video will help you a lot and a lot. All right, it is working for me. So the first thing I do after posting my video is to switch to my second account. That is to tell you that in all of your social media platforms, you should have more than 2 pages or 3 pages or 2 accounts or 3 accounts, as the case may be. If you are on Facebook like me, I am a Facebook lover, yes, and I believe you are too. So if you are on Facebook like me, I have my personal pages, about 3 of them, and I also have 4 pages for my clients that I'm managing. Okay, I am also a social media manager, so you have to follow my page so that you will be getting updates on how to manage pages, not only about editing. Okay, so I have 4 clients pages and my own personal pages, 3 of them. Now immediately after I post on Facebook, I'm using Facebook as the first case study. Afterwards, I will go to YouTube and you see how I apply this method and how it is working for me. I have my main page on Facebook where I post my videos, okay, where I am working towards monetization. Just small thing for me to get monetized on Facebook. So please, I need your views, I need you, I need your support. Please make sure you watch this video to the end and God will bless you for doing that. So after posting my video on Facebook, I will switch to my first account and watch the video from the beginning to the end. Then I will like the video, I will drop a very sensible comment on the video, and then I will share the video using that page. That is my face page on Facebook. When I'm done doing that on my face page, I will switch to the second page. All right, this second page is not my main page. Don't forget I said I have 3 personal pages on Facebook that I'm using for my other businesses. Okay, so when I switch to my face page, I will like the video, I will watch the video to the end, I will share the video and then drop a very sensible comment on the video. I will switch to the second page and do the same thing, and then switch to the third page and do the same thing. When I'm done watching the video from the beginning to the end using my 3 accounts, then I will switch to my clients pages. I only use my clients pages to watch the video from the beginning to the end. Why am I doing that? At the end of the day, I will use about 7 different pages to watch the video from the beginning to the end. That is sending a signal to the algorithm that the video is valuable, the video is good, and that helps the algorithm to push the video further, okay, to more people. All right, and that has been helping me get more views recently. All right, and I know it is also going to help you get more view if you implement this method I am sharing with you right now. And when I'm done watching the videos with these different accounts, dropping the comments, sharing the video, I will switch back to my main page, the page I use in posting the video. I will switch back to that page and then reply the comments I dropped using the other accounts. Okay, this is just wisdom. I will reply. This shows that I am engaging with my audience. It shows that there's an engagement, there's interaction, okay, there's communication in the page, and that is what the algorithm likes. Okay, so you can see how the thing is going. Now when I'm done, I will leave the video for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then I will go back after 30 minutes to 1 hour. I will go back, and then this is when I share the video. I don't share my video immediately using the account I use in posting the video. So when I go back after 1 hour, I will share the video with that account to my groups on Facebook. Okay, I will share the video to my groups on Facebook. Then I'll copy the link and paste it on my WhatsApp status so that people who view my status can go to watch the video, and then also share the link on my communities, both on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Okay, so this is what I have been doing that is helping to improve my views on Facebook. Now let's go to YouTube. even without telling you, you will see that it is almost the same thing. Yes, it is the same thing, not almost, it is the same thing, because immediately I post my video on YouTube and it is done uploading, I will switch to my second account and watch the video from the beginning to the end, drop a very sensible comment on it, and then like the video. I will also switch to another account. I have about 2 accounts on YouTube, so I will switch to my second account and watch it from the beginning to the end, drop a sensible comment and like the video, switch to the next one, watch it from the beginning to the end, drop sensible comments and like the video. When I'm done doing that, I will switch back to my main account and then reply the message and appreciate them, engage with them, and before you know it, the video will start getting views. The algorithm will know, the algorithm will start pushing the video and suggesting the video to other viewers. That is just the simple thing that I am doing recently that is helping to boost my views on social media platform. The same applies to TikTok, the same applies to Instagram if you are there, and other platform. You can apply this method and it will work fantastically well for you. So I hope this helps you and I hope you apply it. If these tips I have shared now was helpful, kindly share this video to help others as well. If it was helpful to you, believe me, it will be helpful to a lot of upcoming creators out there who are in your circle as well. Okay, make sure you drop your question in the comment section. If you have any confusion, any challenges at all, anything that is bothering you concerning this method I have shared right now, drop your question in the comment section and I'll be glad to address it. And also make sure you like this video, share it to your community, and make sure you watch this video to the end. That is the most important. Watch this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching the video to this extent. I love you a lot and a lot and a lot. Thank you again. God bless you. See you in my next video. Peace, kiss. Bye.